In today's digital era, the pace of technology is faster than ever. Data is growing exponentially, customer expectations are evolving, and businesses demand innovative solutions to stay competitive. For IT professionals, this means one thing: navigating complexity while driving innovation. Enter Salesforce AI, the toolset designed to revolutionize how IT professionals work and innovate. Understanding Salesforce AI. At the heart of Salesforce AI lies Einstein, a powerful AI engine built to integrate seamlessly with the Salesforce ecosystem. Think of Einstein as your intelligent assistant, capable of delivering actionable insights, automating repetitive tasks, and enabling proactive decision-making. Salesforce Einstein combines cutting-edge technologies like machine learning to analyze patterns in your data and make accurate predictions, natural language processing (NLP) to understand and respond to customer queries, generative AI. With Einstein GPT, you can create content, code, and solutions in real time. The power of predictive analytics. Imagine knowing what's going to happen before it does. With Einstein Prediction Builder, you can analyze historical data and forecast critical metrics such as system downtime predictions, anticipate and resolve technical issues before they impact operations. Customer behavior trends. Identify opportunities to enhance user experiences based on predictive insights. Revenue and cost forecasting. Optimize your IT budgets by accurately forecasting expenses and returns. Automation for IT efficiency. Automation is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. With Einstein Automate, you can build and deploy intelligent workflows to streamline your IT processes. For example, automate routine system maintenance tasks. Configure alerts for real-time system performance monitoring. Use low-code tools like Flow Orchestrator to design workflows that integrate with other enterprise systems effortlessly. The result? Less time spent on manual tasks and more time focusing on strategic initiatives. Enhancing user interactions. Salesforce AI also transforms how IT teams interact with end users. Using Einstein bots, you can deliver instant, accurate support to employees and customers alike. These bots can handle Tier 1 support queries, freeing up your team for complex tasks. Provide real-time solutions by pulling insights from Salesforce data. Offer multi-channel support, including chat, email, and voice. Einstein bots ensure faster response times, consistent service, and improved satisfaction, all while reducing operational costs. Salesforce AI for custom development. As an IT professional, you often work on custom solutions. Salesforce AI empowers you with tools like Einstein GPT, enabling code generation for faster app development. Automated testing and debugging for robust solutions. Context-aware suggestions to refine your code in real time. With Salesforce AI, building intelligent, scalable applications has never been easier. Security and reliability with AI. In IT, security is non-negotiable. Salesforce AI enhances security by detecting anomalies, identify unusual activity in real time, automating compliance, stay aligned with industry regulations, proactive system monitoring, ensure uptime and reliability for critical systems. Salesforce AI doesn't just protect your data, it builds trust across your organization. Why IT professionals love Salesforce AI? Salesforce AI is more than just a tool, It's a partner that adapts to your needs. Whether you're working on CRM integrations, managing enterprise data, or delivering insights, Salesforce AI ensures you're always a step ahead. With intelligent automation, predictive insights, and unmatched security, Salesforce AI lets you focus on what truly matters, driving innovation and delivering value. Conclusion: it's time to rethink IT. It's time to embrace the power of Salesforce AI. Join the thousands of IT professionals already transforming their organizations with intelligent technology. The future isn't coming, it's here. And it starts with you.